How to set up a mail forwarding in Gmail on your Mac. So firstly, open your Gmail. I gotta open my Gmail app on my Mac, but you can also use the browser version. And once you are in your account, here in the top right corner, click on the settings, and here click see all settings. Once you are here in this top menu bar, click on forwarding and these letters. And here at the top is the forwarding, and you have to click on add a forwarding address. So simply click here and enter here new forwarding email address. I'm not gonna enter here anything, but you have to enter here the email address where you want to forward to, and on that email address you will receive a code. So you need that code from that email address and you will enter it here, and then you can enable forwarding emails from this email address to another. So it's that simple. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.